Welcome to DHS Vehicle Wholesale. Here we have a 2009 Toyota VX Land Cruiser. It's a highly sought after family-sized four-wheel drive. The generous 8 seats, no one is left behind. Fitted with front, side and curtain airbags, there's plenty of protection for everyone. It has driver aids such as traction control, downhill assist, reversing camera, front and rear parking sensors, cruise control, and satellite navigation. Powered by a 4.5 litre twin-turbo V8 diesel engine and a 6-speed auto transmission, this truck has the grunt to take you anywhere, and your family. Factory extras include the side steps, roof rails, and 17-inch alloy wheels. Toyota front bull bar completes the look. Full service has just been completed by Island Toyota, meaning this truck is ready to drive away today at a competitive price of $63,850. Give us a call or visit our website at dhswholesale.co.nz.